Hi, I'm Valerie Agyeman, registered dietitian at the Seafood Nutrition Partnership. The last thing I want to do after a long, exhausting day is spend hours in the kitchen preparing dinner. One of my simple go-tos are sheet pan meals. These one-pan dishes are fast and easy to prepare, can be made using very few ingredients, plus they require less cleanup. I'll be using some of my favorite veggies with a delicious pesto sauce. Yum! Add salmon to the sheet pan and top with pesto. Bluehouse Salmon is packed with nutrients like omega-3s, which have heart, brain, and eye health benefits. It's planet-friendly, delicious, and extremely mild. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and there you have it, a salmon dish your entire family will absolutely love.